Hi there, grade 5 students. Welcome to our exciting lesson on comparatives and superlatives. Let's get started. First, let's talk about comparatives. Comparatives are words we use when we want to compare two things. For example, if you want to compare the height of two friends, we might say Tina is taller than John. The word taller is comparative. To form a comparative, we usually add er to the end of the adjective. So tall becomes taller, but there are some rules to remember. Let's take a look at them. Rule number 1. For most one-syllable adjectives, we add er. For example, big becomes bigger and small becomes smaller. Rule number 2. For adjectives ending in e, we add r. For example, large becomes larger. Rule number 3. For adjectives with a consonant vowel consonant pattern, we double the final consonant and add er. For example, hot becomes hotter. Rule number 4. For adjectives with two syllables or more, we use more before the adjective. For example, beautiful becomes more beautiful. Now let's talk about superlatives. Superlatives are used to show that something has the highest degree of equality in a group. For example, if you want to say George is the tallest person in the class, we use the word tallest. To form a superlative, we usually add est to the end of the adjective. So tall becomes tallest. Let's go over the rules for forming superlatives. Rule number 1. For most one-syllable adjectives, we add est. For example, big becomes biggest and small becomes smallest. Rule number 2. For adjectives ending in e, we just add st. For example, large becomes largest. Rule number 3. For adjectives with the consonant-vowel consonant pattern, we double the final consonant and add est. For example, hot becomes hottest. Rule number 4. For adjectives with two syllables or more, we use most before the adjective. For example, beautiful becomes most beautiful. Some adjectives are irregular, which means they don't follow these rules. For example, good becomes better in the comparative form and best in the superlative form. Bad becomes worse and worst. Now let's practice. I'll show you some adjectives and I want you to think of the comparative and superlative forms. Ready? Here we go. First one, fast. What's the comparative and superlative? Think about it. That's right, faster and fastest. Great job. Let's try another one. Happy. What's the comparative and superlative? Think about it. Correct. Happier and happiest. You're doing fantastic. Last one. Easy. What's the comparative and superlative? Think about it. Perfect. Easier and easiest. You have got it. Great job today, everyone. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep using comparatives and superlatives to describe the world around you. See you next time.